The United Nations, or the UN, is an international organization that was founded on October 24, 1945, after World War II. The UN's headquarters is in New York City, and it has 193 member countries. It operates in 6 official languages: Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, and Spanish. The UN Charter, its founding document, lays out its main purposes: keeping the peace, building friendly relations among nations, solving economic and social problems, and promoting human rights. The UN has 6 main organs: the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, the International Court of Justice, the Secretariat, and the Trusteeship Council. The General Assembly is where all member states meet as equals. It discusses issues like human rights, development, and international law. While most of its resolutions are not legally binding, they carry a lot of political weight. Important decisions, such as approving budgets or admitting new members, need a 2/3 majority. Other decisions pass with a simple majority. Observer states, like Palestine and the Holy See, can participate in debates but cannot vote. The Security Council is responsible for keeping global peace and security. It has 15 members, 5 permanent members: China, France, Russia, the UK, and the US, who can veto resolutions, and 10 non-permanent members elected by the General Assembly for 2-year terms. These non-permanent seats are distributed regionally: 5 from Africa and Asia, 1 from Eastern Europe, 2 from Latin America and the Caribbean, and 2 from Western Europe and others. The Security Council can pass binding resolutions, impose sanctions, authorize military action, and manage peacekeeping missions. In the Security Council, permanent members can veto substantive resolutions. Procedural matters pass with 9 of 15 votes. The Economic and Social Council, or ECOSOC, coordinates the UN's work in economic, social, and development areas. It has 54 members, elected for 3-year terms. ECOSOC oversees agencies like the World Health Organization, UNICEF, UNESCO, FAO, ILO, UNDP, and the World Food Program. It also works with non-governmental organizations to include civil society in its work. The International Court of Justice, located in The Hague, resolves disputes between countries that agree to its authority. It has 15 judges serving 9-year terms, elected by both the General Assembly and the Security Council. Its rulings are binding, but only for the countries involved. The Secretariat, led by the Secretary-General, runs the day-to-day operations of the UN. The Secretary-General is appointed for 5-year terms and can be reappointed. The Secretariat coordinates peacekeeping, implements programs, and supports all the UN's work worldwide. The Trusteeship Council was originally set up to supervise territories preparing for independence. Since its mission was completed in 1994, it is now inactive. The UN also has many specialized agencies and programs. For example, WHO works on global health, UNICEF helps children, UNESCO focuses on education, science, and culture, FAO deals with food and agriculture, ILO sets labor standards, UNDP manages development programs, WFP delivers humanitarian food aid, and UNHCR assists refugees. The UN also runs peacekeeping missions, often called Blue Helmets, which help maintain ceasefires, protect civilians, support elections, and promote human rights. Troops are provided voluntarily by member countries, and the General Assembly approves the budget while the Security Council defines the mandate. Some ongoing missions include UNIFIL in Lebanon, MONUSCO in the Democratic Republic of Congo, and UNIMSS in South Sudan. Some key UN documents include the UN Charter, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, the Geneva Conventions, the Convention on the Law of the Sea, and the Sustainable Development Goals, which run from 2015 to 2030. Funding comes from member countries based on GDP, with separate budgets for peacekeeping and voluntary contributions for humanitarian programs. Despite its global influence, the UN faces challenges like geopolitical tensions, vetoes by permanent Security Council members, funding shortages, humanitarian crises, and urgent issues like climate change. Yet it remains the main platform for international cooperation, diplomacy, and global governance.